Are you ready to take the leap into a week of clean eating, but the thought of cooking every day feels overwhelming? Healthy meal prep for a week of clean eating is the answer you've been looking for. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll unveil the secrets of efficient meal preparation and explore how you can enjoy a week of nutritious, clean meals without the daily hassle. 1. Clean eating decoded. In the opening paragraph, we'll decode the concept of clean eating. What does it mean, and why is it so beneficial for your health and well-being? This introduction sets the stage for the week of clean eating ahead. 2. Meal planning mastery. The key to successful meal prep is meal planning. This section will explore how to plan a week's worth of clean meals, including selecting recipes, creating a shopping list, and organizing your kitchen for efficiency. 3. Efficient cooking techniques. To make meal prep manageable, you need to master efficient cooking techniques. We'll discuss time-saving methods like batch cooking, one-pot recipes, and using kitchen gadgets to streamline the process. 4. Choose the right recipes. Clean eating doesn't mean boring or tasteless meals. We'll highlight clean eating recipes that are not only nutritious but also delicious. From colorful salads to protein-packed bowls, there's a world of clean eating flavor to explore. 5. Smart ingredient selection. Understanding how to select clean and healthy ingredients is essential. This paragraph will provide tips on choosing whole grains, lean proteins, and an abundance of fruits and vegetables to compose your meals. 6. Meal prep hacks. Meal prep is all about efficiency. Share hacks like prepping in batches, using versatile ingredients, and storing food properly to ensure that your clean meals stay fresh and delicious throughout the week. 7. Portion control and balance. Eating clean also means maintaining portion control and balanced meals. Discuss the importance of portioning your meals and incorporating a variety of nutrients into each dish. 8. Time management and long-term success. In the final paragraph, emphasize the significance of time management and consistency. Maintaining a week of clean eating can be the start of a long-term journey towards a healthier lifestyle, and proper time management plays a crucial role in this journey. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the concept of clean eating but also feel equipped to embark on a week of clean, healthy meals through efficient meal preparation. Healthy meal prep for a week of clean eating is not just a temporary change in your eating habits, it's a gateway to a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle. So, let's dive into the world of clean eating and efficient meal prep, and enjoy a week filled with nutritious and delicious food that sets the stage for your long-term well-being. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.